For a resort city and vacation destination, the weather is not ideal. You are always at the mercy of dust storms with 70-mile-an-hour winds. They can come at any moment without warning.
Right?
It's a little bit windy, a little bit dusty, but you know, it's gonna be the bird.
People are getting blasted out there. They're trying to walk and ride their bikes. The best thing to do is lay low and let the storm pass.
Loving it.
Good with the bad, baby. Good with the bad.
Everyone seems to take the wicked weather in stride. Center camp disappears and reappears in the dust, but inside the festivities continue, albeit now covered in a thick layer of playa dust. The dust comes, the dust goes. Ultimately, it does little harm. As adventure goes, it's a soft